morning, students. Today we will discuss about the one more important chapter in geography, location and extension of India. Do you know India? Do you know information about India? Yes, if you know, even though we have to listen about India. India is the beautiful country in the world. It is that unique country in the world. Like that India, like that our country, we cannot see any in other parts of the world. It is a special country. It is a unique country. It is the 7th largest country in the world. Second highest population country in the world. It is a land of religion. It is a land of festival. Agriculture is the backbone of the people of India, and mainly it is that the land of huge population. That's what the father of history Herodotus says, that Herodotus mentioned India has the land of largest population. India has the land of largest population. The huge human resources are in countries. The huge natural resources are in the countries. But when we come to the nation, we are all think we'll give importance to unity in diversity. It's the land of many religion. Number of religions are there. Mainly the first religion originated in India, that is Hindu religion, Vedic culture. After that, Jainism, next Buddhism. Along with these three religions and foreign origin religion also continued in India. Continued in India. That's what. It is the largest, 7th largest country in the world. It is that largest democratic country in the world. It has lengthest written constitution in the world. Like that, India, we cannot see any other part of the world. We have to be very proud being as an Indian, being as a citizen of our nation. India always given importance to Vasudhaivaka Kutumbakam. Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Let all the people be happy. That is the concept of Indians. The whole world is a family, is the concept of Indians. Always Indians are given importance to equalities. In India, many religions are there, many castes are there, customs are there, creeds are there, languages are there, food habits are there, even though when we come to the nation, we are all one. We are all Indian. That is the concept of India. India upheld peace and equality in the world. That's what all the countries in the world, they likes India because always India upheld peace and equalities. Many of the countries in the ancient period, in medieval period, in modern period, number of invaders attacked India, but there is no example Indians are attacked in other countries, because always India has given importance to peace and equalities. Yes, many information can learn in this chapter regarding location and extension of India. It's a very beautiful lesson. You can learn, you can gain lot of information, the more explanation about India. By listening this, we can say that yes, we have to feel proud about our nation. We have to feel proud of our nations. So what is that location of India and extension of India? The first, as per the Vishnu Purana. As per the Vishnu Purana, extension of India. India extends from north of the oceans and south of the snow mountains is called Bharata. It extends north of the ocean, from north to Indian Ocean, north of the ocean, Himalayas in the north, Indian Ocean in the south, from north of the oceans and south of that snowy mountains, south of that northern Himalayas. It is extension of India. According to Vishnu Purana, there is a sloka that is Uttaram et samudrasya imadrishayo dakshinam varsham tad bharatam namaha bharati yatra santati. It is the extension of India. Yes, then you can ask question about that. Then where is India located in the world map? And where is India located in that Asian continent? So I'll explain about this. Let me explain about location of India. So where is India located in the world map? Remember students, India is located in north eastern hemisphere. Yes, remember that is India located in northeastern hemisphere in the globe. That is one. So then where is India located in that Asian continent? There are 7 continents, and that the Asia is one of the continents. In Asian continent, India is located in South Asia. So in Asian continent, India located in South Asia. In Asian continent, in southern part of Asia, it is in the world, in the globe, it is located in northeastern hemisphere. It is the location of India. It is the 7th largest country in the world, 2nd highest population country in the world, largest democratic country in the world. That's to come to the main point. Always Indians are given importance to unity in diversities. So location, and we can discuss about that. Extension of India. In which latitude and longitude does India extend? The 2 marks question. In which latitude and longitude does India extend? So India extend in latitude and longitude. Now come to that. This is the main reason. Another side. This is Sri Lanka. This is Kanyakumari. 2 points you can remember, it is Kanyakumari. This is Indirapur, and here you can see that is Andaman Nicobar Islands, which are located in Bay of Bengal. So in Andaman Nicobar, the Great Nicobar Island, there is Indira Point. Remember that is southernmost point of India. Which is the southernmost point of India? The southernmost point of India, that is Indira Point. Yes. They may ask one more question. Which is the southernmost point of India? Indira Point is the southernmost point of India. Indira Point located in Nicobar Islands. Okay, no? And southern mainland of India. Which is the southern mainland of India? The southern mainland of India is Kanyakumari. Yes, Kanyakumari is the southern mainland of India. This is the main and the northern tip of India, which is called the northern tip of India. Northern tip of India, it is Indirapur. Yes, Indirapur is the northern tip of India, which is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Once I will repeat. Southernmost point of India, Indira Point, located in Nicobar Islands. Southern mainland of India, Kanyakumari, which is located in Tamil Nadu. Northern tip of India, Indirapur. Indirapur is the northern tip of India. Okay, now, and this is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, now next, let me explain about latitudinal extension of India and longitudinal extension of India. Yes, if we compare, if we calculate from Indira Point, because Indira Point also belong to India. Yes, it is one of that. Andaman Nicobar Islands belong to India. Union territories belong to India. That's what. That's what. If you measure from that Indira Point, it starts from 6 degree 45 minutes. Okay, now if you calculate, if you measure latitude from that Indira point, 6 degree 45 minutes. If you measure from Kanyakumari, that will be 8 degree 4 minutes. Okay, 8 degree 4 minutes from Kanyakumari. From Indira point, 6 degree 45 minutes to, yes, up to Indira pole here. So that is 37 degree 6 minutes east, north latitude. Yes, in which latitude India extend? India extend from, if you measure from Indira point, that will be 6 degree 45 minutes, or if you measure from that Kanyakumari, southern mainland of India, 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. It is the latitudinal extension of India. Once again, what is the latitudinal extension of India? From Indira point, 6 degree 45 minutes, from Kanyakumari, 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. It is the latitudinal extension of India. Coming to that, longitudinal extension. Yes, so longitudinal extension, it's from that. To discuss about longitudinal extension. Longitudinal extension from 68 degree 6 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. Yes. Yes. Longitudinal extension of India, it's from 68 degree 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. It is the longitudinal and latitudinal extension of India. Okay, no? Location already told you. Location means India is located in northeastern hemisphere and it is located in southern part of Asian continent. These two, and it is the latitudinal extension and the longitudinal extension. I will take like down here 6 degree 45 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. Yes. So this is the latitude and the longitudinal extension of India. Come to that, what is the total geographical area of India? The total geographical area of India, remember students, 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometers. It is that total geographical area of India. So what is the total geographical area of India? Total geographical area of India, 32 lakh 87,263 kilometers square or square kilometers. And also India occupies 2.42% of that total world's area. Remember that is how much percent? India occupies 2.42% of that total world's area. So it is the seventh largest country in the world. Okay, now here some top 7 countries are there. Some top 7 countries are there. I write down here R, C, C, U, B, A, I. So these are the top 7 countries. So Russia is the largest country in the world geographically in area wise. Okay, no? Total geographical area in that Russia is that largest country in the world. This is the formula RCC UBI, top 7 countries in the world in area, geographical area. So one, Russia is the largest country in the world. Second one is Canada is the second largest country in the world. Third one is China is the third largest country in the world. Yes, USA, United States of America is that the fourth largest country in the world, and Brazil is that the fifth largest country in the world. Next one is Australia, the sixth largest country, Australia, and seventh largest country in the world, that is our India. India is the seventh largest country in the world as per that geographical area. According to geographical area, the total area of India 32,87,263 square kilometers, and it occupies 2.42% of the total world's areas. Remember, this is that is one. India. So coming to that, length and breadth of India. So what is the length of India from Indira to Kanyakumari, Kashmir to Kanyakumari? Okay, no? Extension of India from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Yes, I read on here 3,214 kilometers. It is from north to south extension. Yes, north to south extension to 3,214 kilometers from Indira Col to Kanyakumari. Already told you Indira Point. Sorry, Indira Col. Indira Col, it is that northern tip of India which is located in Jammu and Kashmir. From Indira Col to Kanyakumari, the total length 3,214 kilometers, and also that is from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. That is east and west extension width, total width from Gujarat, Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat to Kachar in the Arunachal Pradesh. Yes, that is 2,933 kilometers. 2,933 kilometers from west to east. So it is that total length from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, no? So this is that latitudinal, longitudinal extension of India. So India is extended from Indira Col to Kanyakumari, including Indira Point. Geographical area, largest country located in northeastern hemisphere and South Asia, and these are that neighboring countries. And also India shares, it has frontiers. The three types of frontiers are there here. Remember that is it has frontiers. One is land frontier. Next one is water frontiers. And natural frontiers. Yes. Land frontiers. So as per the land frontiers, India shares has 15,200 kilometers land frontier from here to West Bengal. Okay, no? From northern part of India. Okay, from the northern part of India, the frontiers is land frontier 15,200 kilometer. Okay, no? And water frontier 7,516.5 kilometers. Water frontiers 7,516.5 kilometers, including islands, including Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Remember, Andaman Nicobar Islands are in Bay of Bengal. BB means what now? Andaman Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands are located in Arabian Sea. AS means Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea located in south west part of India. Bay of Bengal located in south eastern part of India. So that is Bay of Bengal. Andaman Nicobars are located in Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Islands are located in that Arabian Sea, including islands. Totally 247 islands are there. How many islands are there? 247 islands are there. Among these, including these islands, total coastal area 7,516.5 kilometers. Excluding islands, 6,100 kilometers. You remember that? Excluding islands, the total coastal area of India 6,100 kilometers. Including islands, Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands, 7,516.5 kilometers. It is a coastal area, and some natural frontiers are there. Natural frontiers are Himalayas. So Himalayas are that natural frontiers which provide protect to India from the rest of the world. Okay, now it's between India and China. Natural frontiers, water frontiers, and land frontiers. This is about India. And also I will explain here. Yes, I will explain here. 23.5 degree. Remember, 23.5 degree. That is the Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree. Tropic of Cancer passes through that middle of India. So this is that. Remember, then ask a map pointing. Mark that Tropic of Cancer in outline map of India. Yes, Tropic of Cancer. This is 23.5 degree. Tropic of Cancer passes middle of India, which divides India into two divisions. Tropic of Cancer, which divides India into two divisions. Tropic of Cancer divides India into two divisions. 23.5 degree or Tropic of Cancer passes through middle of India, which divides India into two equal halves. That is northern India, southern India. Yes, in northern India, a land of Aryans, because Aryans were ruled in North India. It is a land of Aryans. That is called Aryavata. Land of Aryans, Aryavata. That is, so southern point, that is land of Dakshinapata, we can call it is Dakshinapata. Yes, usually Dravidians are in Dravidians are living in that Dakshinapata, Deccan Plateau, Deccan region, South India and North India. Land of Aryans, because Aryavata, Aryans are ruled here. Dakshinapata, it is Dravidians are ruled in Dakshinapata. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into two divisions. That is one more, Indian Standard Time. You should know that Indian Standard Time. Yes, Indian Standard Time passes through that near Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. This is IST, Indian Standard Time. Alright, green, the Indian Central Meridian. ICM, what is the full form ICM? Indian Central Meridian, ICM, or Indian Standard Time. That is 82.5 degree. Let's remember that is 82.5 degree east longitude. Yes, 82.5 degree east longitude passes through that near Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. This is one of the important map pointing place for ICSE students as well as state syllabus students now. A to the end of the they may ask in outline map of India, and Tropic of Cancer also passes middle of the country, which divides India into two divisions. And you can remember that, students, between India and Sri Lanka there is a Gulf of Mannar. We can mark Gulf of Mannar between India and Sri Lanka. That is that Gulf of Mannar. It is Pak Strait. This is the Pak Strait between India and Sri Lanka. Next one is Gulf of Mannar. Yes. So Gulf of Mannar is also in downside, and the Pak Strait is in a little bit upper side. This is the Pak Strait. It is the Gulf of Mannar, which divides India from Sri Lanka from India, or India from Sri Lanka. This is one. So this is the total information about latitudinal, longitudinal extension of India. Okay, no? And the remaining information I will explain in that next classes. Thank you, students.